Namaskaram Sadhguru. Firstly, I want to truly thank you from the bottom of my heart from being such a beautiful bridge between the modern and the traditional way of living. My question is, I have been reading a lot about the Native American way of living, and I truly love and admire the way they are so connected to nature and their roots, and they don't look at death as an end point or something horrible. So I just wanted to ask you, why has the modern world become so fearful of death? And if disembodied beings are true and they exist, why can't we be taught about it in a very sensible way since our childhood, so we understand the concept of death and life better, so it doesn't become like a horror movie for all of us? So I would really want you to answer this question of mine, because I'm on a very personal level very intrigued by the concept of death as an endpoint rather than a part of the journey. Thank you.
Namaskaram, Renu. Why you're going as far as Native American culture? In the Indian culture, death has always been accepted as very much a part of life. If you've forgotten, people consciously went to Kashi in their old age to die consciously. It's very important. Thousands and thousands of ashrams and spiritual spaces used to be there for people to go for Vanaprastha ashram towards the end of their life and die consciously, not to be entangled in their family emotions and stuff, move away from everybody that you know and be in a place which is energetically charged. At the same time, there is guidance so that you handle your mortality in a dignified way. This is very important. Any culture or any individual human being who does not come to terms with their mortal nature can never live life totally or sensibly for that matter, because what mortality means is we have a limited amount of time. If we are always conscious that we have a limited amount of time, we will organize this life in a way that it matters to us, in a way that makes sense to the life that we are. Right now, most human beings are going about as if they are going to be here forever. No, we are not an eternal life, we are a mortal nature, and once mortality becomes part of your consciousness, you will naturally seek to know what is the nature of my existence. The basis of spiritual search is mortality, not God, not philosophies. When you realize that you are mortal, you naturally want to know what is beyond this body, what is beyond this social life, beyond these psychological structures, what life really is. Who am I? What am I? What is the nature of my existence? These are natural questions which will lead to a spiritual process. Every child must grow up in this is most vital. Unfortunately, we have taken to Western ways and go about life as if death doesn't exist. That's not the way.